but this one you're here with me. It reminds me of the younger days. You're looking sweet and...
Anyways, I'm here to discuss something very important with you.
Oh no, not again.
Plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be. Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be. Oh, the love you gave was not enough for me. Something you can get.
Oh, sweetheart.
My darling. Welcome. How was your trip?
Well, the trip was fine. Everything went on fine as what's the matter?
Daddy, welcome.
Oh, thank you. I missed all of you.
We missed you too.
Yes, I was happy about it.
Did you buy something? Will you shut up? He's just coming and you are beginning to go in with what you
It's okay, it's okay. I bought something for you all. Sugar. Who is the owner of this phone?
It's Matilda's phone.
Matilda. A video call and you're called baby. From a male. Obviously, things are going on in this house I am not aware of.
Money, you are just coming. Just go and freshen up and relax and come eat your food. Yes,
Oh, yeah. Except I'm going in, I'm really tired. Freshen up. Have my food.
You cannot do this later.
Your phones. Achiever.
Daddy.
Give me your phone. And so her follow suit. Your phones!
Give him your phone. Give him your phones.
You are aware of all this? This has been happening under your watch. Oh, wait. Obviously, there's more to this. Yeah, let's admit I will do that. I will really do that. But first, three of you are grounded. You are not to leave this house for any reason whatsoever, life or death. If you need anything, want anything, Ask and it shall be given unto you.
But we are innocent.
I never accused anybody of being innocent.
It's Matilda's fault now.
Did I accuse any of you?
Ronnie, this is not too much. It's Matilda's fault that rank and I grounded 3 of them.
No, I just want to be free. I will go and freshen up. This remains till school resumes. And if any of you, as much as tries something stupid, you go to school from home.
But this is too much. Only take it easy with them. Matilda, it's your fault. Do what you cause now.
I'm sorry, I'm just doing my phone.
And you said it with sugar. Will you keep quiet? Take it back. Mommy, but you need to talk to Daddy.
Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be. I'm sorry that plans when I read.
I did big mess. Big mess. Have you good all go still on bad matter? Bro, no be that one, huh? I call my girl, Matilda. Guess what's happen? Another man pick the call. Wallahi, if no other man, it for better for me. Then wait till happen now. Now, he papa, that wicked corner, now he take the call. Hey, papa, I go lie for you. See, as it just been now, better go submit yourself. You know the way that man matter be. You know that man matter the way it be. You better go submit yourself. See, even waiting with the boss my head now, they say, her number no they go since that yesterday. Go reach her sister like self. No one they go. You know what I do myself. Which kind of problem you can't go put yourself now? Eh? Which kind of problem you can't go put yourself for? Soldier man. See, bro, for now, they hide your head. Though. Yes, they Sophie, they hide your head. And apart from that one, I beg. I used to go beg you. For now, more get more distance. Yes, so.
On top relationship when I do.
Now me put you for there.
Now
me put you. You know those military people. If they want find you now your friends body now they'll taste that.
I would see get with TV's neighbor. You would tell me. I would see you tell me better thing now, sir.
Tell you better thing. With what you use your hand cause.
You know your girl.
See, not be bad. Not be the one way take the move. So I beg go. For now, just off this.
No, you're near me, oh.
I'm sorry, I can't open the gate. The instruction from your father said I should not allow any of you out.
What are you even saying? That I can't go out to get some stuff from the mall?
That is what your father said.
Esan Oyeeee, you will not go out to get anything.
Daddy, why now?
If you want to buy something, write a list and drop it. Someone will do it for you.
Daddy, this is not fair. I just want to go out to get some stuff from the mall.
Esan Oyeeee,
Daddy.
don't let me repeat myself. Get inside the house!
Daddy, please. This is not good.
This
Not
way.
just have peace in this.
This way!
Mommy. Mom.
Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be. I'm sorry that plans when I read.
How did this thing will get mixed up in the first place?
Okay, madam, it's not me. Oh, these people, I miss with these people, so I can't they bring them come back.
And why are you having them in your hands? Why don't you look for something to put it or create space for it here?
Okay. come around.
Yes.
Everything don't finish for free. Oh. Both meat, both fish, everything don't finish.
No fish in the fridge.
You don't finish.
Why?
Come around, I beg, I forget.
I keep telling you that you shouldn't allow things get exhausted before we replace them.
I'm sorry, come around. I forget.
You should have told me earlier. It's alright, tomorrow you replace them.
Okay, thank you. Don't mention.
You get another thing to put this or create space for you there.
So come on.
Take this one.
I'll go find you.
I mean, I can't cope with this kind of life. You better go talk to our dad.
Sorry, what is it again?
Daddy took our phones. As if there was not enough, he gave instructions that no of us should be seen outside in further notice.
But why is this man like this? Why? It's alright, dear. Just calm down. I'll go speak with him.
Must he punish us just because of the sin of one person? And moreover, Matilda, she didn't even do anything wrong.
Sorry, I said it's okay. Calm down. I'll go speak with him. You just stay here. I'm coming.
Small, come around. What didn't happen now? Why they face?
Just shut up, dear.
No face. Oh.
I'm sorry that plans went out. This is not the girl I wanna be.
I don't like the way you are treating these children.
When you say treating, what do you mean? I am trying so hard to protect them from the woes and dangers of the society.
What dangers are you talking about? Are their mates not out there succeeding? Huh? Are they not adults?
This woman, don't get me angry. Don't!
Oh, really? This woman. You address me as this woman.
Fine. Let's be realistic with each other. Let's talk like our parents do. Be sincere to yourself. Is it the present of our children that matters most, or is their future that matters most? See, I will say this, please. I'm going to really say this from the depth of my heart. Kindly get out of my sight and kind of think something else.
You are not doing these children any good. This is not how to raise girl children, Aredo. It is not. The way you are going about it.
Fine, I'll leave for you.
The love you gave was not enough for me.
Are you walking out of me?
Oh, something you can give. Something.
Do you want to break my leg or what?
I thought you went out. Matilda, what that is doing is really getting out of hand.
What happened?
Imagine, it stopped me from going out to get sanitaries.
Daddy again.
This whole thing is getting me pissed. Wait, are we not adult? Or is he going to marry us or what?
I think so. He will marry us. Even when Mom went to comfort him, he was still held on his rules.
You don't mean it. This is getting more tougher than I thought.
What are we going to do about this whole
Just
thing?
shut up. Okay. I was thinking right now that I don't know what to do now. Shit.
Yeah, I don't know, but we should look for a way around this whole thing. Me, I'm tired already.
Just shut up. Shut up.
Sis,
You think I don't know you are the one giving Dad all the information in this house?
what information?
You please, just avoid me.
Maybe she thought we don't know.
Okay.
Where are your siblings?
Okay, Mommy, they are upstairs.
Oh.
You know Achieva and her assignment all the time.
Uh-huh.
So,
Alright. I just came to check since I didn't hear any of your voices. I wanted to find out what's going on.
okay,
Alright,
fine. Mommy,
what?
please, can I ask you for a favor, please?
What is it?
Mommy, I need your phone to make calls.
My phone?
Yes, Mommy, I need to call one of my classmates to actually know when I'm resuming. Mom, please.
Please, do it fast and bring my phone back for me.
I will.
Before your father sees my phone.
So Jared is this phone.
Better be fast with it.
Okay, Mommy, thank you.
Sorry that plans went out re. This is not the girl I wanna be. I'm sorry that plans went out re.
It's me, Mantida. Yes. I'm very, very angry with you. Why did you call me on video call? I told you... Yes. I told you that my dad will be coming home that very day. And I made it clear to you that very day that I'm going to call you. That you shouldn't call me. And you called on video call. Okay. It's fine. I'm not angry anymore. Okay. Alright, I just called to let you know that my dad has seized my phone. My phone is not with me. Please, do not call that phone for the now. Yes, this is my mom's phone. And please, don't call this line either. Okay. I love you, babe.
Pixies! What's that?
Swear you didn't hear anything.
Yeah, what? I did not hear anything, no. Is this not mommy's phone?
No.
What are you doing with mommy's phone? And who were you on call with?
How is that your business?
I'm just asking, no.
Do you know what? Achieva, just get out.
But I came to play with you now.
Ha! Last born without sense. Nothing thing.
So somebody cannot just come and meet you and just have a good time. Be doing this sister, this sister, this sister.
You cannot even do anything corny in this house. You just everywhere like a ghost.
Sorry that plans went out re. This is not the girl I wanna be. I'm sorry that plans went out re. This is not the girl I wanna be.
Shiva is the one informing Dad about everything that is happening in this house.
No. No. She cannot. Even though she's acting like a kid. But she cannot do that to us.
How come? She was the only one that entered this room while I was making call with Mom's phone.
Are you sure?
Then how come Dad was aware of it?
Achieva cannot do that.
That little sister of yours is a witch. I feel like strongly.
Sister! Good afternoon, sister.
But here's something.
What did I do? Achieva. Yes. Achieva.
What is it?
Why did you tell Daddy?
Tell Daddy what?
That Matilda was making use of mommy's phone.
Me?
Yes.
Me?
You did.
I didn't tell Daddy anything
Will you
now.
just shut up?
It's not me.
Aproko. Oh, you think I didn't know?
No, what? I don't understand.
Just get out.
I did not tell Daddy any... Out! I don't tell this to you people. I won't tell Daddy to you people. I don't let this
You want
thing
more
go in.
information so that you go and speak it out to Dad. Nonsense. Warn her. Warn her. Because...
That will be big brother. That's what you be. You know what that be tell me?
Wait.
Just guess.
Oh, God, you know, say I'm not good for that. Say, tell me.
See, you go believe say that be tell me say her papa take her through, go through how do they call her? Military drilling.
Yeah, well.
That man wicked. Now so military be. Her own daughter, flesh and blood though.
Man, wait. Just imagine now saying now you demand your cash. But you for hear what
you
though?
too they use me do bad example. More my body.
Nah, lie I talk before. You for hear what, cha?
See, the truth is saying, all these ones are just initial gaga. When the right time come, me, I will still marry that babe. Now tell me they take. They watch.
If pikin stubborn good, your own you stubborn, you know the hear word. You see all these things where they happen to you, so now sign where it make you for know where you they go, but you know the hear, you know they listen. See, bro, make I tell you one thing, You see where you they go, so, A military zone, and you go ready to fight and a war. You they hear me, so before you get that man, say you want marry connect daughter, ready for war.
See, you know the only challenge I get with you right from time. You too fear.
I know. As I your fear now, your limit.
Like what I told before, everything at time. When the real time come, me with her, we go marry, and the man no fit do anything.
You go marry.
They play.
They advise you now. The next way they come your man now, you go marry.
Everything at time.
Thank God say you bring your brig. Thank God say you bring this one come more time. See, I beg. If you dey marry, you choose wisely.
Choose which I don't already get baby. Which I choose wisely again.
I know. You choose your best man wisely because you see your marriage, bro. I know they attend them. I know they come. I know if you can't go wear suit now, can't go no tie. They'll come they tell me say I can't they do frog job. They'll come they say quote, not be you, I be the best man. I'll come they do frog jump for inside this way musician they play. I'm not trying, Baba. Yeah, I'm not trying.
Wait. Look me well. So as you see me now, you look like how they beg for best man.
Like that.
Go. Big they beg you to be best man.
You know me now. Me. I'm not trying.
You'll be better. That day when I love you, they run the car suit.
Princesses, I called you all here to return your phone for you guys. I give them back to you so that we'll have peace. We come to a compromise. But note, if this ever happens again, I will skin you alive myself.
But Daddy, we are adults now. We are friends. And we also have made friends.
Good male friends, you mean?
Yes, Daddy.
That's the reason I'm returning the phones back to you. That's the major reason I'm returning the phones back to you. You see, I want to know them, and I want them to know me. Every male friend is a friend. Am I not male? That is it. I want them to come close to me so that they will sign an undertaking.
Undertaking? Ah. Ordinary friendship again. What if they are boyfriends? Then they will come and sign death warrants.
No. No death warrant in this family. If it's a boyfriend, it's even more perfect. Though I know you people don't have a boyfriend. I know that. So the issue is that who is the owner of this phone? Who is the owner of this phone? Who amongst you owns this phone?
That is hers.
Pick the phone and put it on speaker. Let me hear who it is. Now!
The network has ended.
Yes.
The call has ended.
Which of these phones is yours?
This, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Now leave my sight.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Oh, where was there something you can give?
When I grow up, I want to become a soldier like you. I really admire you a lot.
Achiever.
Ma.
You can be whatever you want to become, okay? It's your choice.
But my daddy doesn't even want me to be a soldier. He prefers me to be a doctor. And I don't like it.
Your father is a good man. He wants you to shine in his own choice of career, okay?
I don't even have the right to choose anyways.
Just calm down. Calm down, okay?
Don't.
You don't have to be like this.
I can see you're here again. To gossip and put Sergeant in trouble, right?
Sister.
Madam, no. We are just gisting.
If I were you, I would run from this girl. In fact, you need to borrow leg, add it to your leg, and run far away from her. You don't know who she is.
Sister,
She can put you in
okay.
trouble that you cannot bail yourself out from it.
Sister, can't.
Hey,
She will not put me in trouble.
and you, inside.
Take it easy.
All you know how to do is to do cho-cho-cho-cho-cho every girl. Looking for
Are
weird
you the
gossip.
only elder sister?
Okay.
Can I just have discussion in this compound?
It's okay.
It's fine, ma.
These girls, they will not cease to amaze me.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Oh, where was there something you can give?
Hi, babe. How are you doing now? Yes, my dad just gave me my phone. I miss you too, baby. Yes, I really did.
Oh, it's my sister.
So how am I going to see you now? Because I really missed you.
Look at your voice.
Oh, you can't wait to see me. Same here, baby.
This is. Please, I want you to help me with this assignment. I'm finding it difficult to do.
Achiever,
Yes.
what did you hear? I mean, I hope you're not going to tell Dad about this cause.
She won't dare, because I will skin her life.
I did not hear anything now. I just came here to get help.
She needs your help.
Go to the city room. I'm coming.
Thank you.
Achiever. Don't tell Dad.
I won't you.
Your mama need to tell me where you carry this girl from.
She's your sister now, so why are you complaining? Your sister.
Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be.
I use the hungry. I did each bad day. Who say food in his ass? Why you dey laugh?
You know what I like? You know they take your belly play.
I did tell you, I swear.
See, please fulfill gist day, bro. Better gist day.
Gist. Gist me now. Now you wait you can't wait for. Make food for pause first.
See, my babe, she called me today. She said I should come and see her at home. Keep your face for now. Why they looking like oh, you see mama die?
Wait. For house.
No, for market.
She don't rent apartment.
Ah, God. Why for you to know that? He papa house now.
He papa house. He papa house. Bro, you get mad though.
Guy, behave now.
Wait. Oops, you don't inform your family. Yes, because this kind you need to inform your family because may they start to make preparation of your funeral. This one they talk.
When I did 5 friends ago, I don't know why I take James. So better people see where I go carry us. Get see, make I tell you, we don't arrange everything down.
Wow.
Everything in place.
Nice one.
So your own now be say, just relax. When I don't go come, I will just wait in up now, trust me.
You know what to make me thank God, eh? God too big. God, you too big.
Yes, we got to be.
Thank God, say not be only you want to get as friend. Yes. If anything happen to you, no go to pay me. Wait till go still pay me some more. That be all those small food where I come the shop for your house. That go pay me.
Now what you get to talk with that?
Wait I want to talk. Eh? Waiting I want to talk. Wait grown up man like you not get sense. You dey risk your life because of woman. Waiting I want to talk.
Next minute it be like who you heard correct. The next few seconds, it be like where they don't knock.
Leave and make them knock.
Not don't they fall.
Leave and make them knock. Go risk your life before you go. Man, go eat first. Go inside. Go eat.
Where you call they go from my house?
But waiting I don't understand. Waiting I call you for.
See, make you not finish that food. The minister never chop.
Matilda, what kind of suicide mission is this? So you want Dad to kill that boy? I thought you said you love him. And you know if Dad killed that boy, nobody's going to question him.
You say nobody's going to question
Yes, nobody's going to question Dad.
Dad won't kill him.
Okay, just watch and
He
see.
knows the law, and the law did not require anyone to kill.
Okay, until then.
Alice is even the most foolish person here. If he agrees to come visit you in this lion's den. Oh, he thinks Daniel's miracle in the Bible was by fornication. Daniel was only doing the work of God. That was why God shut the mouth of the lions. In his case, I don't know what will become of him. I just think you should have a rethink about this whole plan. As for me, no, I'm okay.
Will you shut that rubbish? You won't have the guts to call him names. Eh? See, the only reason I call you here is to cover up for me, nothing else.
Me, I've said my own no.
Matilda, I will not be part of this, and I will never be part of it.
Even you?
Yes. Matilda, this could have been a prevented scenario, so I will never be part of it.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who are you looking for and what is your name?
Please, I'm looking for my friend Martina. I'm a classmate. I'm actually here to give her some tips, but she'll be needing.
Okay, let me call her to confirm if she's expecting a visitor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, madam. Yes, there's somebody outside the gate that said she's looking for you and that she's a classmate. Okay, should I open the gate for her? Okay, I'll open the gate now and tell her you're on your way. Just wait for her. She's coming to pick it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Daddy, my friend, she's the one I told you about, my classmate, that she will be coming to pay a visit.
Oh, yeah. How are you? What's your name?
Fine, sir. My name is Abigail.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, Abigail.
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, my daughter here, Matilda, told me a lot about you and how brilliant you were. Or sorry, don't mind me, I'm a little bit worked up.
It's okay, sir.
I will be glad if you maintain that brilliancy, okay?
Yes, sir. Very well, sir.
It's okay. Dear,
Daddy.
I want you to take her in, take good care of her, whatever she needs, give her as long as she stays.
Oh.
Even if you don't have any other thing, ask me, I'll support you.
Oh,
thank you, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Daddy, take her to my room.
All right.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, read well though.
Thank you, sir.
Oui.
More success.
Thank you, sir.
Such a market.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy, please, we'll be in my room.
No problem.
Thank you, Daddy. Thanks, Daddy.
Jesus. My heart almost jumped out of my mouth. This is really risky. We are not doing this again.
Of course, babe. That was risky, and the risk worth it.
Eh?
Yes, of course I've missed you.
I couldn't even stand the facial expression of your dad. It was as if he was almost getting on me.
My dad, that lion himself.
Honestly.
I was able to trick him.
I really missed you.
I've missed you.
Come here.
What's going on here? This, do you want to run?
That was so close, you know.
I'm sorry for barging in on you people. Now calm down, you're not a man. Sorry. This is, you know this is very risky. I was just passing by, I said, okay, let me check, and I discovered that the door was open. Why would you do something like that? You forgot to lock this door.
I'm sorry.
Do you want to kill us in this house? You know that's very risky.
I know.
You need to be very cautious. You cannot come and spoil this plan for us. I'm sorry. So I'll just go now. Come and lock this door, please. So you don't come and spoil our plan for me. You cannot enjoy your wedding.
I'm right behind you. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Please don't forget that next time.
I won't.
If there will be next time.
Babe.
Yeah, you got her.
So you are scared.
Why would I be scared? Yeah.
Where's something you can give?
Wait till they worry you. Which kind of mind you get?
See, for that one, my heart nearly won't enter my lap. Hey, you need to consider it. That's what I'm for somebody.
I never still believe. Wait. Make me understand something. How you take past that man for parlor with your voice?
My brother, after the makeup and the attire, my voice switch automatically. Eh? Take out the face.
But you bad, oh. You bad. Okay, wait. How you want to knock that people? How your boy taste stand?
My T-boy, what are the patron concern now? Now make him chop bekus in the after.
But this your mind, eh? You two get bad. Now you on a bad mind. That kind of mind, eh? Me no even figure out for this life. Not to talk of next life.
See, bro. Now you dey shake. You believe say that house for me and you we fit dey there for 1 year. If Papa no be as big this one. You see how he big.
How many of you? How many of us? Okay, not be me and you. Not only you one. I don't see me and you for that kind of house. Not be me.
Now your 15 they keep you here.
Leave for me, just keep me for where I am.
But I don't forget that experience.
Bro, as you don't go this one, I use your head. You dey hear me? Use your head. English people say every day for the chief, 1 day for the owner. As you escape this one, so stay away from that house.
Bro, relax. We stick to plan. We don't stick to this particular because it worked perfectly. So now we dey follow now until I don't accomplish my mission there.
Until the man don't still accomplish you.
Which man?
You see, as you pass this one now, you escape him.
Me, I not go thief.
You see the next one, and you see the way trap they grab rabbits and say go take clip you.
No, they not fit clip because I not go thief.
Clearly, I'm going to make this statement once. I want to repeat myself. And I will demand a straight answer from whom it may concern.
What is it? Please don't come and kill everybody with high blood pressure. What happened? Just say it out once.
Matilda. 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 Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my dear.
Happy birthday. Is that why you want to kill everybody?
No, God forbid, but nobody's dying.
Ha. What a weird way to wish someone a happy birthday.
Yeah, I'm weird, I know. Judging from your dressing, my ladies, obviously I'm the houseboy in this house. Looking at the four of you. So, you guys will just give me a little time. Let me go and freshen up, dress up. I'm gonna take you guys out. I'll take you out and have some fun. I'm coming.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mommy.
Really close.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Where was it? Where's something you can give?
I almost went to heaven and came back. The moment that called Matilda.
Heaven came. Me, I thought I was dead. You know, I was even seeing people in my funeral. Chopping rice, musician, and all that.
But wait, oh, why would that go on such a prank journey? Was it necessary?
My dear, I don't know. It's just been a soldier that he is.
If this happen again, I repeat, if this happen again, I will just faint.
I don't know how I get it. It's not only faint. I feel you not do anything wrong. Assuming you are clear now, you won't be this afraid. A clear conscience says fear no accusation. I'm telling you, if you are clear, you won't be this bothered. I don't understand. She can't sleep. You will faint. It's not only faint.
Matilda. Your dad is so
The love you gave was not enough for me.
Make I tell you, you see that thing when it in your mind. Delete am. You dey hear me? Delete am. You dey hear me? Because he work for you for the first time, no me say you go there again. I don't tell you my own.
Relax. Relax. See, you see that plan? It worked perfectly for the both of us. And in fact, we have decided to adopt that particular plan. See, my plan is accomplished. And you know what to be the plan? She dey hold me that boss assignment.
Oh,
See,
I love you. I love you. Small pikin carry snake, he thinks say na rope. Not until that snake bite.
Ah! Leave that parable, Joe. See, you better tell me if you like that sister. Tell me, I go run her for you sharp.
God forbid. Bro, for that house, go find woman for that house. Instead of me to go that house, go find woman. Bro, I go heaven, I go find woman. I'm not trying. You feel the risk your life, not be me.
Now, wait till I make you that single. So,
I complain.
You remember as I used to say, me, I will go there. Eh? As I go, I not tell you. Because I know say you will always discourage me. Shall I go corner, I gist you, it's sharp. Eh? Now, so this is where I tell you, so it will be.
You for now you tell me this one, you will go. You not concern me.
I go soon about that, you'll be like for your eye.
Congratulations. When you take the risk your life,
We
congratulations.
should risk.
You not concern me.
My brother, life without risk, eh? Now risky.
Now you say na woman you want risk her for.
They who your papa be, who your papa be.
Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be.
Stella. I can see you are already picking it. Please hurry up with it and you make that stew, the type my husband likes so much.
Yes, for camera.
Please, you make it immediately after you're done.
Okay.
You know he likes it with plenty crayfish. What's that? Please pick that dirt out. Look at it. Pick it up.
Okay.
Alright. Please, remove all the dirt. Pick them all up.
Mommy, yeah.
Yes, dear.
Mom, please, I want to beg you for something.
Okay. What?
Mom, please, I want you to any beggar to give me permission.
Permission for what?
I'm going for my friend's birthday party tomorrow. Please, Mommy.
Don't you have a mouth? Can't you talk to your dad yourself?
Mommy, if I'm good enough, I will not come and meet you. Please. Please, Mommy. Please.
Okay, I'll try.
Thank you, Mommy.
I did not promise anything.
Please. Please, Mommy. Thank you.
Alright. Okay. I love you too, my baby.
Is it for it? Is there talking? Why the boys are suffering?
Darling.
Yes, my love.
I think what you're watching is of interest. I can see you're laughing.
I don't mind these politicians. They are there in their office, blabbing, while the men and I are suffering in the sea. You don't know.
You're really suffering.
Oh, God, this one you're here with me. It reminds me of the younger days. You're looking sweet and...
Anyways, I'm here to discuss something very important with you.
Oh, no, not again. Oh, no. Oh. 100% because of the kids.
Of course.
All right. Shoot.
It's about Oyeeee. You know, they are our children and they are all grown up. They are adults.
Says who?
Says I. Anyways, dear, please. Oyeeee needs permission to attend a friend's birthday party tomorrow.
I will certainly not agree to it. Read my lips. No.
Darling, please. Please, you will allow her. Honey, she's our eldest child. She's not the baby. Please. Come on, please. Please, dear.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. If you say so, okay. She can go.
Thank you.
Am I free now?
Sure. You're the best.
All right.
Thank you. Let me quickly attend to what I was doing before I came.
Shake it again, shake it again, shake it again.
Are you for real? That's good news.
Sis, that thing you told us earlier, are you sure you were not lying? That daddy really gave his consent for you to go out to a birthday party. Not just any party, night party for that matter. I don't know why I'm just having a mixed feeling about this whole thing.
Will I be joking with something like this? I can't now. Mommy thought she's right button, and Dad gave his consent for me to go to the party.
And you're happy?
Very happy.
You're happy.
Okay, anyway, it's a new development, and it will definitely favor us all.
Yes, so.
Not just you, but us, especially me.
And I think, have you guys not noticed it?
What's that?
Like, daddy is changing from hard to soft.
You should better change.
This one is good though. If it continues like this, I think we'll have a little bit of freedom in this house.
Babes, that's not important. Now, I need you guys to
What is
let me go
important?
inside to select my outfit.
I'll be the one to select her.
Yes, please.
Let's go inside.
I beg, no stress, I beg.
Sorry that plans when I'll read. This is not the girl I wanna be.
But I'm set. I'm up for the party now.
Oh. Oh, the party.
Yes, Daddy.
It's okay, my dear. It's all right. The fact is, you are not going for the party anymore. You just have to go inside, pull your clothes, and help me wash my clothes in my room.
What? Dad, I didn't hear you well.
Fine. Didn't hear me well. Come closer. You're going back. Come closer, let me tell you.
Dad, I thought you already agreed.
You said?
I thought you already...
I did not agree to that!
Dad!
What?
I thought you already agreed to love me.
If you ever alter that word from your mouth again,
Dad, you already gave me...
leave here before I do something I will live to regret.
Daddy.
Leave! Arrant nonsense. Your mom keeps working on the fact that my love for her is still there. Working on it, and you ladies want to do the same. You just spoiled my good mood.
Something you can give. Something you can give.
Before I will forget, I make I tell you, say, I dey go see my girlfriend Matilda very soon.
Why you dey looking like that? Oh boy, wait. Oh. Nobody for your family fear advising.
Advisor. Chairman advisor. Minister affair. Advisor no I'm going one. Wait to make you no fear advise me.
See, I just dey look you the laugh.
See, listen, I tell you, my guy. If you want insult me, look me face to face, look my eyeball. Now man you be, you go insult me. Now they put my family, she be they hear me. Why you no advise me? Advisor I know I'm going. See, if you want insult me, look me eyeball to eyeball, face me, insult me as man. Now they put my family member.
You just dey play with your life. Bro, you just dey play with your life when you don't get duplicate. And I dey look you dey laugh. Now here I dey. Now here, now still dey. Where I go to hear the story.
If at all, na my life. Even with the way they talk now, me, I know say na hungry they catch you. Come on, more they go as more go chop.
They play,
You not chop.
just dey play, just dey use that your life, just dey use that dey play.
Okay, I will give dog, you go chop more they go.
I don't understand why you give my food to dog.
I think say you know what you want advise me leave food now.
Now food that they have.
They go chop it out me do you.
Something you can give.
I'm not even surprised. I suspected this would happen. I mean, we all know who Daddy is. So that we know they go war.
Achieva, don't speak ill of Daddy like that.
Is she lying? Is she? I am tired of all this. I am tired.
Hey, just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
No, I shouldn't tell you to calm down. Climb up there. I said calm down. We're going to find a lasting solution to this.
Everybody's tired about all this.
Mommy's here.
So, your dad truly did not allow you to go to the party?
Yes, Mommy.
After all the pleas? Okay.
It's okay. No worry. Mommy is going to Daddy. Considering is going to meet Daddy now.
After dressing
It's
up?
okay now. Do you have anything that you want to do now?
Honey, why are you like this? Why do you want to frustrate your own children? Why?
Using the word frustrate is quite wrong. You see, my dear, I am trying to carve them. Oh, sorry, my bad. Wrong use of word. I'm trying to mold our daughters so they become better ladies in this society.
What society are you talking about? The one you refuse them to see? Or the one they see from your house?
This is very ironic. Are you raising your voice at me?
Oh, I will shut the roof down if that will make
You dare not!
I will!
You won't!
I will!
You dare not!
I will!
I am the owner of this house. Those kids are mine. Whatsoever I decide, so shall it be.
Says who?
I am the owner. I gave back to them. I paid your bride price. Let me remind you, I am not owing your parents any dime for your bride price. So my word is law. You better be careful. I am a retired corner.
Corner my foot! Corner my foot! Corner Aredo.
my barrack. This is my home. And I am the grand commander of this house.
You lie. They are your children and not your subordinates. And as far as I remember, this is our house and not a barracks. This is not a military barracks.
Woman.
Man.
Woman.
Man.
Let me make it clear to you. It will never work.
It will work. We shall see. Look at me! Look at me! The only soldier in Nigeria. Nobody will hear what because you are a soldier. As if it's not somebody that trained you in the army. You know it's too hard now.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Where was there something you can give? Where was there something you can give?
Hello, Uncle. Good evening, sir. Uncle, if you see what my children are going through in their father's house, in fact, as I'm... Uncle, if this does not stop, I will let the cat out of the bag. Uncle, if everything wants to spoil, let it spoil. If everywhere wants to spoil. Ah! Okay, Uncle. But Uncle, you have to talk to him. You have to talk to him because there's a limit to what anyone can take. All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Mommy, it's okay now. It's not like what Daddy is doing is that bad though. I mean, he's our father. He's just trying to train us well. It's not like what he's doing is...
He said to train well, right? If you don't leave my side now,
what did I say wrong
you'll
now?
be sorry for yourself. Come on, get up! Little witch like her father.
Sorry that plans went out read. This is not the girl I wanna be.
This meeting, so that I will address his situation on ground. I want to ask for your forgiveness in any way I've offended you all. Forgive me. I don't want these quarrels to continue. I don't need these quarrels to continue. I just want a better life for you ladies and my entire family.
A better life. In this prison you locked them in? Is that how to give people better life? Come on, my husband. They are not asking for too much. All they are asking for is freedom to explore their world. Allow them to be children. Is it too much to ask? Let them just be normal children.
Fine by me. They are free to explore the world.
Really?
Yes.
Daddy, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, thank
You will explore the world in this house.
This house?
Yes.
How is that even possible?
You have access to everything you need in this house. And you also have access to anything you would want in this house.
Okay. But Daddy, we cannot explore here now.
My rules still stands.
Agedo,
Daddy.
why are you like this?
Daddy.
You are so impossible.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, why did you call us?
This is what Daddy is doing.
It's not fair, Mommy. It's not fair. You have to do business, Daddy. I do want me to talk to him.
I don't know. She is your husband now.
Is he not your father? Don't let me unleash my anger on you.
Don't worry in this house.
Sorry that plans went out read. This is not the girl I wanna be.
My love. Are you not done bathing? Please come. I'm missing you. Don't know what you're washing.
Then?
Are you alright?
Yes, Daddy. I'm okay. Just that I'm having some fever.
Okay, no, it's alright, no problem. I'll call the family doctor. She'll come and do some checkup. By the way, where's your female friend that came in a while ago?
Daddy, she's taking her bath.
Tell her once she's done with her bath and you are done with your girly stuff, she wants to go. She should see me. I'll have something I want to do for her.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Yeah?
I will.
You sure?
Yes, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Are you sure you're okay?
Dad, I'm fine. Just the fever. I've been like this since. I'll be fine. Trust me.
I believe in you.
Don't tell me that was Connor himself. Who have made that silly mistake? Thank God. God allowed this death sentence pass over me. My friend has always told me this. Whoever have thought it will be today of all day.
Don't worry, we are safe. I'm not the God now.
You always be careless. I'll just have to go.
Help me out. Help me lock it. You don't need to go. Just lock it.
You still haven't locked the door.
Lock it, please. Mommy, I'm sorry I brought you out here. Shoot. Mommy, I want you to help me to distract Daddy so that Alex can leave.
Matilda,
Mommy.
you are not the only one in this. Achieva and Esoe came to tell me this same thing a while ago.
Mommy, we are sorry.
What is this nonsense? What is this, Matilda? I don't like this at all. This is all shades of wrong.
I know, Mommy, but we are sorry.
You are sorry. And you know who your father is. You know who your dad is.
Mommy, please help us. Help us, dear. I need to go.
All right. Go to your room and wait for my flash. When you see my flash, take him to the gate and let him out.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, alert your sisters to do the same immediately you get my flash.
I will.
I don't like it. I don't like this at all. And I don't want a repeat edition of this ever again.
I'm sorry that plans went out read. This is not the girl I wanna be. Oh.
Yeah, baby.
I hope this your politician friend will be able to escape all these accusations leveled against him.
Of course he will, because he's innocent, so he will.
What makes you so sure that he's innocent? Is there any innocent politician in this country?
Well, I'm certainly sure, because first and foremost, we were classmates.
How long ago was that?
First, let me mix it up for you. We're secondary school classmates. Then primary school classmates. Before we attended the same university together.
And you think now that he's a politician, he is still that innocent person you know?
I don't think. I know. He's innocent.
All right. I was going to ask you, why did you instruct Sergeant Sarah to keep your children's visitor there? What do you intend to do with them?
You are not responding. Do you want to have one of them as your side chick or what? Oh, okay. Probably you want to take your time to screen the one that will best suit you as a second wife. If you want to have a second wife, be bold about it. Act with it and stop these gimmicks. You are still not talking. Or you want to start laying them one after the other right under my nose. Is that it? What exactly do you intend to do with them that makes you keep them there? If you want to take a second wife, be bold enough. Just say it. What is all these gimmicks?
I'm sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be.
Are you okay, Sarah? Are you mad? So you have the guts to stop our visitor in our father's house, Sarah? How dare you, Sarah?
I'm sorry. It's an order.
What order? I don't understand. What order is that one? I don't get. You mean my sisters and I don't have right to tell you what to do in our father's house? I don't just understand.
My Oga has given me an order which only two can break. Himself and death. Hello, sir. Okay, sir. Copy that, sir.
Are you going to open the gate or?
Can you just open the gate? Hurry. Open.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Calm down. Why you not come see the father before you come out?
So, everything when I just tell you, Nana, it get what's funny for them, we make you they laugh.
Yeah.
It get what's funny.
It's funny.
Just imagine, I tell my friend, see how I manage escape death. All you fit do, now to open your mouth, wow, begin laugh. Get what's funny there.
It's not funny. Not forget, say this same friend, then they always they advise you, say make you stay out of trouble. But you not go they risk your life. You listening to the friend. No. Waiting I get to offer a poor boy like me. You don't listen. See, may I tell you, if to say that man catch you, the guy beat you for beat you. You know what I for do? You see that you beat TV where they are sitting room, now for inherit. You hear? Now for inherit.
Nana, I know, say, nothing serious ever come out for this your coconut head.
Ah, yeah.
You be very, very unserious person.
I use a raw body. I'm gonna leave that one. When you want go back to that place now.
Go back where?
Your babe now. When you want go great town. God already forbid now. Come you go. See, no, you will go. I beg. Because nothing me want to tell you now.
Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be. Sorry that plans when I read. This is not the girl I wanna be. Oh, the love you gave was not enough for me. Oh.
My goodness. Achiever. What is it? How can three of you be sick at the same time? I'm just coming from a SOS room and she's shivering too. What did you people eat? There must be something you girls are reacting to. How can three of you be sick at the same time?
Mommy.
Have you guys had your bath?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. I will tell the family nurse to come and take your blood samples for screening.
Oh, Mommy. Is there any need for that? I don't want to take it a shower.
You don't want injection?
Mommy, there's no need for that now.
Really? Have you guys eaten?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry and there's no need for that.
No, it's just fever.
I don't want to take injection. I'll be fine. I just want water.
My darling, I know you don't like injections, but as it stands, you don't have a choice.
Mommy.
They will come for your blood screening. They'll take your sample and screen. So we'll know what you are up against, if it is malaria or if it is typhoid.
Mommy,
And if it is, you will just have to bear it. If you need injections, you will take. If there is need for drip to flush your system, we'll take.
Mommy,
Mommy,
fine, I told you.
we just need rest.
You just need rest.
I will not take injection, no. I will not take injection. It's just small fever.
Water will be okay. We'll be fine.
You guys try and eat something now.
I don't want to eat.
Later. Sorry.
We'll eat
Mommy,
later.
I don't want to. I will not take hope.
Let me go and call the nurse. My phone is not here.
Yeah, I told you now. I don't want injection.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Where was it something you can give?
Shasta!
This one, my beautiful wife, is calling me with all emphasis and my ranking. Hope I'm safe.
I should be the one asking that question. If I am safe as well as my children.
What do you mean?
Congratulations.
For what?
You are about to be the latest father and grandfather of God knows how many children.
They are pregnant? Who got them pregnant? How?
Are you asking me? Are you seriously asking me that?
Daddy, we got pregnant in your house. You didn't even have a boyfriend. You didn't even allow us to go out, so we demand to know how, Daddy.
What do you mean, how? Are you saying that we don't know how? He's the only man in this house. I think he's in the best position to tell us what happened.
Connie Aredo, you have an explanation to make. It's not funny. This is not funny. I will not take it lightly. So don't even bother to laugh.
Are you guys for real? And you're in support with this? You know, the most interesting thing is, one of the things that made me marry you is this, your iota of comic relief. Yeah, I'm coming. The three of you, you're really asking me that question. I'll give an answer to that question. I'll tell you how.
Please, we are waiting. We are waiting.
This was how it happened.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Where was it something you can give? Where was it something you can give?
Hello? Yes? I want you to come fix all the CCTV cameras tomorrow. I'll be going out with all of them. Sergeant Sarah will tell you what to do. Thank you.
I'm sorry that plans went out read. This is not the girl I wanna be. The love you gave was not enough for
The
me.
entire compound. Your rooms, even our own room, had eyes. All of them had eyes, which was connected to this phone. I could see every part of the house on this phone from anywhere in the world.
Darling. Darling, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You see, I don't really hold any grudge against you or them. I never did. Just wanted to pass a message to parents out there, father and mothers like you and I, that being strict does not help or favor you. No matter the level of strictness, it won't favor you. You have to draw your children close to you. Strictness does not have anything. It drives them away from you. Make them your friends, and it will surprise you what you will hear and know. The communication gap will not be there. You will feel them, and they will feel you. Your children will feel you. When you are close to your children, the bond will be strong, and nothing will break the bond. I wanted us to be one. I wanted to know you better, and I wanted you to understand my feeling. I wanted you to feel me just as I feel you. But you all saw me as a beast, a demon, as being wicked. Sorry.
Yes, Daddy.
Paul is a graduate. He's struggling to find his feet. It will shock you to know that I investigated Paul. Yeah, Paul is his name. He has graduated and is struggling, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Alex is a student, but a system engineer. It will shock you to know that one of his present contracts, one of his closest islands, works for me. The Palm Project. Princess.
Yes, Daddy.
You broke my heart.
I'm sorry.
You pained my heart. I never believed you could do such to me. But it's okay. I want you all to know that you have me. I'm solidly behind you guys. I will be there for you. You can call Paul. You can also call Alex. Both of them should come with their family. How they do the needful. Okay? And Mark. Achiever, my princess. I can't. I won't allow you to give birth to that child in this country. For the sake of my personality, you have to leave the country. For that, your studies abroad. Sit.
Thank you. I honestly did not expect this from you at all. I didn't know all along. You knew all about what they were doing. It wasn't my idea actually, but I also felt you were too strict with them. But I really want to appreciate you. You are an amazing human being. And I want to apologize for all the times I was being rash and unreasonable. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Stand up. Remember, I'm about to become a grandfather. Girls, get up.
Thank you, Dad.
Don't stress my grandchildren.
The love you gave was not enough for me. Oh. Sorry that plans when I'll read. This is not the girl I want.